Hi, my name is Paul Teo. I'm a real estate strategist for the past 14 years. And in fact, over the past 14 years, I've helped numerous clients upgrade their property portfolio. And today, I want to share something very interesting with you. I was looking at this family photo here. This is me, the botak boy. I was about 8 years old then, which is about the same age as my kids today. And I want to share with you the story about my parents here. This is my lovely parents. And yes, my father was only a technician and my mom was only P4 certified and as a stay-home homemaker. However, over the past 10 years, in fact, where we grew up in Block 914 Tampines HDB, we have gone a long way and they have successfully sold their house, and today they are right now comfortably staying in the condominium, and they have other properties that are working hard for them. Right now, they are on their path towards freedom and retirement. You know, something then, I think my mom knew something that many homeowners today they don't even know. So she had this idea of asset progression, wanting the family to be better and to progress in our asset. So I guess when she was much younger, she already has this foresight. Well, that's what I say. Moms knows everything the best. By applying the basic principles of asset progression, my parents were able to upgrade comfortably from the HDB to the condominiums, and right now they have multiple properties. And in this such short period of 10 years, they don't have to go and borrow money from relatives or friends or have to work extra job. And just by following the principles step by step, I'm so proud of them that they are right now closer and closer to the path of financial freedom. And right now today, I want to recommend you this method that inspired me to become the real estate agent I am today as well as an investor. And I call this method the GAP method. Let me share something with you. Now, before you ask about this GAP method, which I've been applying for my clients over the past 14 years and also for myself, this 95% accuracy is achieved is because, let me get this straight, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This GAP method is a decision-making framework that helps you take your emotions out of the picture so that you are able to be clear, rational, and then you can craft your asset progression journey clearly, step by step, over the next 5, 10, 15 years. And that is the right way to build your long-term generational wealth in property in Singapore, just like how me and my parents did. If you are looking for the right way to upgrade your property, join us at this GAP webinar where I will teach you this method. This GAP webinar, there will be no upselling, no sales, all full details to guide you and your family how to plan step by step to guide you progress your property journey with your family as a priority. What you need to do here right now is just click on the link and sign up for this GAP webinar. In the next 90-minute fully sponsored webinar, we will be going through 3 key elements for you to understand GAP method. First thing first, go. Help you identify your asset progression model and see how you can advance from there. Second part, your asset. Using the 5 CPF method to help you understand what your true assets really are. And most importantly, P, the property. How we can use this 3-tier protection to help you identify the right property and help you upgrade with minimum risk. With all my students and all the attendees who have benefited from this GAP webinar, they have learned from this highly guarded method and have already progressed in their life. So do not miss out. Quickly reserve your seat for this GAP webinar and I'll see you soon at this GAP method.